Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if your Windows 11 device is not appearing under devices section of Microsoft account. So let's get started. So this is the Microsoft account page I am talking about, and here when you go to account.microsoft.com and sign into your Microsoft account, and then you select the devices in the sidebar, then you arrive to the Microsoft account devices page, and here all of your devices are shown on which you have signed in with the same Microsoft account. In my case, you can see that the devices are appearing, but since you are watching this video, you are facing the problem of devices not appearing on this Microsoft account devices page. So let's see how you can resolve this problem. I have different solutions to fix this issue. Let's get started with solution number 1. In case if your device has a generic or duplicate name, then your PC can't be synced to the Microsoft account. So you need to just rename your device and ensuring that the device name contains only the letters, hyphens and numbers, and it should not be a generic name. Simply do a right click on the start button and select settings. When the settings app open, on the home page you will see the device name mentioned along with the device model. What you can do is simply click on the rename button and make sure the device name is using a combination of letters, hyphens and numbers. Once you rename the device, you can simply restart the system, and after restarting the system you can wait for some time like 1 or 2 hours and let the synchronization be completed. And once the synchronization has been completed, hopefully your device may appear under the devices page of Microsoft account. Next we have solution number 2. In this case, you have to simply do a right click on the start button and select settings. Once the settings app opens, you have to go to accounts, then Windows backup. Under Windows backup, make sure that you have these two options turned on. First option is remember my apps and second option is remember my preferences. If you click on the drop down next to remember my preferences, ensure that you have these options checked: accessibility, accounts, Wi-Fi, networks and passwords, personalization, language preferences and dictionary, other Windows settings. Ensure that these options are checked out or enabled. Then in the same settings app, you can go to privacy and security. Then under privacy and security, scroll down until you found diagnostics and feedback. Under diagnostics and feedback, you have to make sure that the send optional diagnostic data option is turned on. Next, you can go back to the privacy and security page, and here click on the recommendations and offers and ensure that all of the options are turned on the next page. On older versions of Windows 11, the recommendation and offers is not available and instead general page is available, and there you have to check these three options shown in this video. Make sure that these three options are turned on. Up next we have solution number 3. In this case, I suggest to manually register your missing Windows 11 device on the Microsoft account. You have to simply go to account.microsoft.com/devices. On the devices page, you will see this registered device link at the top of the page. You have to simply click on this. A small pop-up window will appear with registered device name. There you have to first select the device, and in case if you have device from Microsoft, you can select Surface. In case if you have device from other laptop manufacturers such as HP, Dell, Asus, etc., you can select other devices. Then select your region and here enter your device serial number and ensure that you have checked I accept the terms of the privacy statement. And once you type the serial number, just click on the confirm button. If your serial number is correct, your device will be registered to your Microsoft account and it should be now showing under the devices page of Microsoft account. And lastly, we have solution number 4. In this case, I suggest to switch to local account temporarily and then sign in back to your Microsoft account. By performing this action, we will be able to resync our Microsoft account and all of its settings, and in the series of these events, hopefully the device missing from Microsoft account devices page should reappear. So currently I am signed into Microsoft account, and at the top you can see that I have signed into Microsoft account. I'll just click on that and this will take me to the accounts page. There I have to click on your info. Under your info, click on sign in with a local account instead link. Here I am being asked for the PIN. I'll just type in that. Then you have to enter your local account information. Just type in a username followed by password and confirm it. And if you like, you can type the password hint. In this example, I am keeping the password blank. I'll click on the next button, then click on the sign out and finish button. And you will be immediately signed out because you have been now switched to local account and you can now sign in back. So currently I'm at the lock screen. I'll just pull it up and there I have the sign in screen. I have to just click on the sign in since I do not have added the password to the local account. But in case if you added the local account password, just type in and sign into the account. Once you signed in, you can now sign in back to your Microsoft account. So simply right click on the start button and select settings. When the settings tab open, at the home page, you should be asked to sign into your Microsoft account. Just click on the sign in button there. Then sign in back to your Microsoft account. Type in your password. And at the last stage, you will be asked sign into this computer using your Microsoft account and you need the current Windows password. So at this stage, you have to enter the local account password which you are currently signed into. Since I did not edit the local account password, so I'll just keep this blank and click next. Then you will be asked to create a PIN. Simply create the PIN. And you are now signed in back to the Microsoft account on this device. Now wait for some time to synchronize your Microsoft account with Microsoft servers and check back after few hours. You should be able to spot your device under the Microsoft account devices page. In case if you have any question about these methods, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.